rodeo queen. Oh, tell me. Let's go, Paul. Oh, sorry, some fiddle there. Oh, call. With rain in her hands like rope in the wind, she's here today, then gone again. She's a goodbye kiss, then a miss you text from the next town that she's riding in. And I hate to see her leave, 'cause she's this cowboy's dream. What I give to be the king to the rodeo queen. She's here today, then gone away. What I give to be the king to the rodeo queen. Got the boots, the hat, the whole thing. What a gift to be the king to the rodeo queen. Oh, there she goes. Come back now, yeah.
Let's learn This Cowboy's Dream. It's choreographed by Borg, Susan Pfeiffer, and Amie Andison. It is a 40 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with restarts on walls 3 after 24 counts and wall 7 after 28 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about where those 2 restarts happen, as well as how to do the ending to face 12 o'clock. And then we're going to go around and dance 8 walls of the dance so that you know where everything happens and how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this dance on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn This Cowboy's Dream. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a weave to the right. We're going to step our right foot to the right side, step our left foot behind our right foot to the side, cross our left over our right. We're now going to rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and we're going to do a crossing toe strut, touching our right toe over our left, dropping our heel, taking weight onto that right foot. Let's try that with some counts. These sections are a little quick, so you want to make sure you're taking nice little steps. Weave to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're doing the same thing but traveling to the left. So we're going to step our left foot to the side, right foot behind our left foot to the side, cross our right over our left. We're now going to rock our left foot to the left side, recover onto your right foot, and we're going to do a crossing toe strut left over right, taking that left toe, crossing it over our right and dropping our heel, taking weight onto that left foot. Let's try it with some counts. We ended section 1 with our right over our left. You're doing your weave to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do step lock steps forward. We're going to step our right foot forward, bring our left foot in and behind our right, step your right foot forward, and you're going to brush your left foot. We're now going to repeat that with our left, step our left foot forward, bring our right foot in and behind our left, step our left foot forward, and brush our right. On wall 3, that is where your restart will happen. Let's try that with some counts. We would have just crossed our left over our right. You're doing that step lock step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4. We're going to step forward with our right foot. We're going to do a half pivot over our left shoulder, putting our weight onto our left foot at face 6 o'clock. You're going to step forward with your right foot. You're going to do a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to step forward with our right foot, and you're going to hit your left knee up, and you're going to slap your left knee with your right hand. We're now going to step back with our left, and we're going to flick our right foot back and behind, and you're going to slap your right foot with your left hand. And you're going to quickly step your right foot next to your left to end that section. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left foot. We would have just brushed our right. You're doing those half pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step. Section 5 in our final section of the dance, we're going to do heel toe heel to the right and the left with claps. So we're going to swivel both heels to the right, both toes to the right, both heels to the right, and we're going to clap. We're now going to swivel both heels to the left, both toes to the left, both heels to the left, clap, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We would quickly step this right foot next to our left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you would start by stepping with your weave. Now let's face the front. We're going to go all the way through with steps and counts. The second restart is going to happen after your 2 pivots on wall 7. You'll be facing 6 o'clock and you will restart the dance. Weight's going to start on your left foot. We're doing that weave to the right. Side behind, side cross, side rock, cross, toe, strut. Side behind, side cross, side rock, cross, toe, strut. Step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush, step, half pivot, step, quarter pivot, step, hitch and slap, back flick and slap. Side, heels, clap, heels, toes, heels, clap. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on that left foot. You are starting with your weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you would keep on dancing. Now that pivot and that slap forward and back is going to feel dramatically slower. So you want to make sure you're slowing down those counts compared to the other sections. So now let's talk about the restarts. Both restarts are going to happen facing the 6 o'clock wall. On wall 3, which will be our 6 o'clock facing wall, you are going to dance the first 24 counts of the dance, which is up to your step lock steps. So let's practice dancing up to that part. You're going to do your weave to the right, side behind, side cross, side rock, cross, toe, strut. Side behind, side cross, side rock, cross, toe, strut. Step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush. At this point, you're going to restart the dance, stepping your right foot to the right side, doing your weave all over again. That will become wall 4. We will then dance the rest of the wall through, coming back to the front. When we get to the side wall, it becomes wall 7. You're going to dance the 28 counts, which is your 2 pivots. So let's try up to there, doing your weave with your toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side behind, side cross, side rock, cross, toe strut. Step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush. At this point, you're going to do your step half pivot and your step quarter pivot. Step half pivot, step quarter pivot. You're facing the back wall and you're going to restart the dance. Side behind, side cross, side rock, cross, toe, strut. Our last wall is going to be 3 o'clock facing. You'll be here. You will finish your heel, toes, heels with your claps. And then we are going to change the first 16 slightly so that you end facing 12 o'clock. You're going to do the first 8 like you would normally for the dance. So you would do your weave to the right, side behind, side cross, side rock, cross, toe, strut. Now we're going to do our weave to the left, side behind, side cross. We're now going to do one more weave that makes a quarter turn, side behind quarter, and then we're going to stomp our right foot next to our left to end the dance. So now let's go all the way around. We're going to dance 8 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transitions into the next wall for both restarts. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls will do our counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your weave. side behind, side cross, side rock cross toe strut, side behind, side cross, side rock cross toe strut, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush, step, half pivot, step, quarter pivot, step, hitch and slap, back flick and slap, heels, toes, heels, clap, heels, toes, heels, weave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're doing our short wall, side behind, side cross, side rock cross toe strut, side behind, side cross, side rock cross toe strut, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush, restart, side behind, side cross, side rock cross toe strut, side behind, side cross, side rock cross toe strut, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush, step, half pivot, step, quarter pivot, step, hitch and slap, back flick and slap, heels, toes, heels, clap, heels, toes, heels, clap, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, side behind, side cross, side rock cross toe strut, side behind, side cross, side rock cross toe strut, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush, step, half pivot, step, quarter pivot, step, hitch and slap, back flick and slap, heels, toes, heels, clap, heels, toes, heels, clap. We're going to do our pivots and then restart. Side behind, side cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Restart. Side behind, side cross, side rock cross toe strut. Side behind, side cross, side rock cross toe strut. Step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush, step, half pivot, step, quarter pivot, step, hitch and slap, back and flick. Heels, toes, heels, heels, toes, heels. And that is the whole dance. You would dance a few more walls of the dance and then do your ending to face 12 o'clock. I hope this helped you learn this cowboy's dream. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.